Rainy day, South Morang. On the balls. In the sea. It's only small, I think. Great fun though on the light cycle. 21 to 3 kilos. 8 pound. Oh, it's actually not too bad. Oh, there's a net. I might have to. Yeah, that's no reed. I'll have to get out there. Actually, well, I'm feeding with the net. I can't turn around. Right, I didn't forget this time. Ah, good job, person. Good job. Oh, no. Alright, let's drag. I can't have drag. There we go. Well done, person. Good stuff, person. Oh, he's heavy. There we go. Oh, he's... right, he's on the back of the rock. Yeah, boys. There we go. He goes hard. We got him. Right. Get that rolling for a second, person. He's actually got some nice colours. He's pretty golden. That's a decent sized carp. I'm going to measure. Be plus 60, I reckon. Alright. Another one out of South Morang. Didn't forget the net this time. Alright. Thanks.